Here's the deal. The right egg cooker should nail consistency without babysitting, handle soft to hard in minutes, and not turn cleanup into a chore. Stick around because the countdown from 6 to 1 ends with a pick that just quietly works, morning after morning. 6. The Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. The Elite Gourmet is the classic 7-egg dome with a measuring cup that controls doneness and a built-in pin to prevent shells from cracking, which is great when consistency matters and there's no stovetop space to spare. Auto shutoff plus an audible buzzer means no pacing around the kitchen, and the included poaching tray and omelet tray make this more than a one-trick boiler when brunch plans appear out of nowhere. In practice, soft and medium are easy to hit as long as the water level matches the chart, and the quick steam up is genuinely faster than waiting for a pot to rumble, which matters on bleary mornings when timing slips. Now the part that's, well, less charming. The buzzer leans sharp and can feel a bit abrupt the first few times, and if the pin isn't used, the shells can micro-crack, which bumps up peeling difficulty even though the cooker is designed to help with easy peel eggs. Also, the lightweight clear lid feels, a bit plasticky, and while it's compact and easy to stash, the accessories collection means one more stack of trays in the drawer. Worth it if variety matters, mildly annoying if hard-boiled is all that gets used. To be fair, the 7-egg capacity hits a sweet spot for households or meal preppers who batch protein and want even results without stirring a pot, and the recipe leaflet is a nice nudge to go beyond basic breakfast. 5. Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker. Evoloop keeps it simple, up to 6 eggs per batch, auto shutoff, and a buzzer when done, with BPA-free carts and the usual measuring cup with piercing pins set up to take the guesswork out of soft, medium, and hard. The footprint is compact, the trays detach for easy washing, and it ships with poaching trays and an omelet bowl so it can pivot from boiled to poached to fluffy scrambles without changing the workflow. Water in, switch on, wait for the chime. In testing style use, medium and hard are straightforward, and poached eggs land on the firmer side unless a touch of oil is added to the cups and the water dialed back slightly, which, once tuned, becomes the house setting. Here's where it stumbles a bit. The 6-egg capacity is fine for singles and couples, but batch cookers may outgrow it fast. And the default buzzer is, louder than expected in a quiet kitchen, which is great for not missing it and not so great if someone's still asleep. The exterior also leans more utilitarian than premium, and while that doesn't affect eggs, it does affect how proudly it lives on the counter. That said, the value prop is strong. Sub $30 territory with auto shutoff and good baseline consistency makes it an easy starter pick or a dorm-friendly upgrade from stovetop boiling. Bottom line, capable and budget-minded, with reliable results once the water levels are dialed in, but the noise level and capacity keep it from climbing higher. 4. Tasty Mini Rapid Egg Cooker. Think compact but not cramped. This tasty unit does 5 eggs per round and heats fast at around 360 watts, with auto shutoff to keep soft yolks from sneaking into overcooked territory if a notification gets missed. The small dome actually helps with even steam distribution. There's less volume to fill, so it ramps up quickly and hits consistent doneness when the watermarks are followed. It's also a fun color pop appliance that doesn't hog space, and for small households or snack egg people, 5 is a sweet spot that feels intentional rather than limiting. In use, omelets fluff well with a light whisk and a pinch of salt, and soft-boiled timing is easy to repeat once the cup is matched to egg size and fridge temp, which is half the battle with budget steam cookers. The trade-off is obvious. If the week's meal prep calls for a dozen eggs, 2 back-to-back runs are required, and while quick, that's still a reset cycle that larger units skip. Still, the appeal is real. Fast heat, tidy cleanup, and a footprint that practically disappears when slid under a shelf. Bottom line, a cheerful, compact option that nails its lane, especially for small kitchens where ease beats maximum capacity. 3. Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. Bella lands in that dependable middle ground. 7-egg capacity, 360W heating,
dishwasher-safe parts, and a clear methodology via cup markings and charts that make result tuning almost boringly predictable, which is exactly what breakfast needs. The stainless steel lid and cool touch handles give it a sturdier, more polished feel than many budget domes, and that matters when it gets daily use and lives on the counter. In real-world rounds, hard-boiled eggs peel cleanly when the pin is used and the eggs get a quick, cold rinse, and the poaching tray turns out set whites with runny centers if the cup is lightly oiled and the buzzer is answered promptly. It's also flexible about volume. Doing 3 eggs or 7 doesn't change the flow, it just changes the water measure, and the unit doesn't struggle to reach steam quickly, even on full loads. The vibe is straightforward. Plug, fill, press, chime, rinse, done, which makes it easy to recommend to anyone who wants the stovetop result without the stovetop attention span. Power to capacity feels well matched, and the parts wash up without finicky edges, which keeps it in rotation rather than retired to a cabinet. Bottom line, a confident daily driver with a durable feel and consistent outcomes that justify the upgrade from the smallest minis.
2. Nostalgia Retro Electric Large Hard-Boiled Egg Cooker. This nostalgia unit brings the retro look, but the guts are all business. 7 egg capacity, a useful audible chime, and the kit to do boiled, poached, scrambled, and even light steaming for veggies or dumplings when eggs aren't the main event. The measuring cup has the piercing tool built in, and the included egg bowl and separator accessories are actually practical, not just filler, great for quick scrambles without reaching for a skillet. In use, it's consistent on all 3 doneness levels, and the alarm timing is spot on for preventing drift from soft to medium, which is a classic complaint with steam cookers lacking a clear finish signal. The cool touch handles and detachable stainless steel steam plate make it feel a notch safer and sturdier, especially during quick turn batches where the lid comes off and on repeatedly. And yes, the aqua finish has personality. It's decor that cooks, which is oddly motivating on slow mornings. If there's a reason it isn't number 1, it's not performance. It's that number 1 offers similar reliability with a slightly more serious materials package where it counts. Bottom line, great capacity, clear cues, and genuinely useful accessories in a design that's fun without being fuzzy. 1. VOBAGA Electric Egg Cooker. Here's the winner, and here's why. VOBAGA combines 7 egg capacity, auto shutoff, and multi-mode versatility with a stainless steel tray and a sturdy build that feels ready for daily use, not just novelty weekends. It handles soft, medium, and hard with repeatable precision once the water markings are matched to egg size, and the stainless tray brings a subtle but real lift in durability and ease of cleaning, especially if mineral spots are common in local water. Poached eggs come out balanced, set whites with a glossy yolk when cups get a quick slick of oil, and the unit doesn't huff to reach steam even at full capacity, which means meal prep Sundays don't drag. The footprint is compact, the on-off is as simple as it gets, and the overall finish reads more kept appliance than temporary gadget, which, let's be honest, is the difference between a tool that stays plugged in and one that disappears into a box. Add in the versatility to steam veggies or dumplings in a pinch, and it pulls double duty without needing special inserts or a learning curve beyond the water cup. Day to day, it just behaves. Fast heat, clear finish, easy rinse, back on the base, no quirks that demand attention or hacks to fix. Bottom line, the best balance of build, capacity, and consistent results, which is exactly what a top pig egg cooker should deliver. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.